Ever wondered how to give your employees secure, instant access to their pay stubs and tax forms without a pile of paperwork? You're in the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to invite your team to Wave's employee portal, making payday a breeze for everyone. Getting started is simple. From your Wave dashboard, navigate to the payroll section and click on Employees. Here you'll see a list of your team members. Find the employee you want to invite and click on their name. If you haven't already, make sure their email address is correct and up to date in their profile. This is crucial because it's where they'll receive the invitation. Once their email is confirmed, look for the Actions drop-down menu. You'll see an option that says Send Paystub Email. Click it. Wave will then send a secure, encrypted email to your employee with a link to view their latest paystub. It's really that easy. Now, if you want to invite them to access their full history and tax forms through the employee portal, the process is just as straightforward. Back on the employee's profile page, under the Actions menu, select Invite to Employee Portal. A pop-up will appear, confirming you're about to send an invitation. Hit Send. Your employee will then receive an email with instructions on how to create their own secure login. Once they've logged in, they'll be able to view and download all their past pay stubs, W-2s, and 1099s whenever they need them, all in one convenient place. This not only saves you time but also empowers your employees with easy access to their own financial information. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference in efficiency and transparency for both you and your team. Plus, it cuts down on those last-minute requests for a copy of a pay stub or a tax form. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.